In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay currency from dollars to pounds. If your eBay prices are showing in US dollars and you'd prefer to see them in British pounds, the good news is that this is usually very quick to fix. In most cases, the currency display is tied to the country or region that's selected on the eBay site. So all you need to do is switch your location setting to the United Kingdom. To get started, open eBay in your browser and make sure you're on the home page or any standard eBay page. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. This section is easy to overlook, so take your time if you don't see it right away. At the bottom, look for the current country indicator, which typically appears as a flag. This flag shows the region your eBay site is currently set to. Move your cursor over that flag to open the country selection menu. When the list appears, choose United Kingdom. As soon as you select United Kingdom, eBay should refresh or redirect you to the UK version of the site. After that, prices will generally be displayed in pounds instead of dollars. This is the key step because changing the site region often changes both the marketplace version and the default currency you see while browsing. If the page doesn't update immediately, give it a moment to reload. You can also refresh the page manually if needed. Once the UK site is active, check a product listing to confirm that the pricing now appears with the pound symbol. One thing to keep in mind is that some listings may still vary depending on the seller's location or the item's original marketplace, but for normal browsing, selecting the United Kingdom should switch the main currency display to pounds. If you're still seeing dollars after making the change, it may help to clear your browser cache, open eBay in a private browsing window, or make sure you're not being redirected based on a saved regional preference. But in most cases, simply changing the country from the flag menu at the bottom of the page is all you need. And that's it. That's how to change eBay currency from dollars to pounds by switching your site region to the United Kingdom.